Hello there, my first grade readers. I wanted to jump on here and show you something. I'm going to introduce what this is. This is called a Venn diagram. And if you can see what it is two circles, one circle here and one circle here that come together. Okay? So, if you notice on this side, I have dogs written down. On this side, I have cats written down. And then here in the middle, I'm actually going to write both. What a Venn diagram does is it's a nice way to be able to compare two things. And when we compare things, we see how they are alike and we see how they are different. Okay, so think about the difference between cats and dogs. Let's see. Well, a difference is dogs bark while cats do not. So what I'm going to do for dogs, in the dogs part, I'm going to put bark. See how I put it on this side where I have dogs? I put it over here. Let's see, what's something that's different about cats than dogs? Well, most cats, there are some cats that live outside, but most cats that we have at home stay inside. While dogs can go both inside and outside. And I apologize for my poor handwriting here, but both inside and outside. So do you notice how I'm writing everything that has to do with cats over here, everything that has to do with dogs over here? The middle part where the two circles come together, that's where we're going to write things that are similar for both of them. So let's think, what are some things that both cats and dogs have? They have differences, but they also have some similarities. So I'll let you think for a second. What is something that both cats and dogs, what is the same about both cats and dogs? How are they alike? Well, one way is that they both have four legs. So in the both section, I'm going to write four legs because they both have four legs. That's not just cats and it's not just dogs, it's both. Also, they have fur, right? Both cats and dogs have fur. It's not just cats that have fur, it's not just dogs that have fur, it's both. So I'm going to put them where the circles meet. So when I put them here in the middle, that means they're in both circles. Because if I look at the cat dog circle and the cat circle, these things are in both of those. So that means that's what they have alike. Let's think of another. What's something else that they both have? Well, they're both pets. I guess I should put that. They're both pets. Okay, so people have them as pets. Now, you might only have a cat or you might only have a dog, but some people have both or one or the other, but either way, they are both pets. Okay? You see what I'm doing here? I have everything about cats over here, everything about dogs over here, and then the things they have that are similar go in the middle. That's what we call a Venn diagram. So for today, something that you're going to be doing is filling out, doing a Venn diagram where you compare the city and the country. So if you think about it, I think a lot of you might live in technically a city area or a neighborhood, but some of you might be out in the country. And so we're going to be talking about the similarities, what's alike, and what is different about the city, being in the city, like in Fort Wayne, and then out in the country. So that's like out away from the city where there's not much there. Okay, so this is called a Venn diagram, remember, and it's to compare things. So you'll be using that today. So thank you for listening to my video.